In today's lesson, we'll learn about dir function in Python interpreter. Dir function is a built-in function in Python interpreter. Dir is used to find out which names a module defines. That means inside module, what are the things defined that will be written by this dir function. It returns a sorted list of string. Let's take an example here. Suppose I am importing my sys module, also the module which I am created in my last lecture, my modules. Okay. Now suppose I want to see what are the names this my modules define. To do that, to get that, I need to pass my module, then execute. Okay, these are the things the my module define. These two are the module, so these two are the method, that means fib and fib2, and these two are the, and these are the automatically generated Python method. Okay. Similarly, if I want to see what are the names present in name defined by the system module, then look, there is a number of things here. Okay, these number of things are actually defined by this sys module. Okay. Now suppose I want to use this dir function without any argument, then what it will return? It will return the in out statement and built-in function, and because though you are importing the sys, so it will also, so the sys, suppose in my module I am also imported, so it will taken as a names here. Okay, suppose I import the my modules, my modules dot, I have one function there fib. Okay, let it be x. Okay, now it is imported. Now suppose I want to execute this dir function again without any argument. You can see here, yes, the x came here. Okay, suppose I create a list here, a is equal to, suppose 1, 5, 3. Okay, let's this much. Then again I am executing this dir without argument, so it will also, this a is also taken as a output of the name. Here you can see a is present. Another thing here, what I want to say here, the dir does not list the names of built-in function and variables. So whatever built-in function present in Python interpreter that are not named by the simple dir function without any argument. Okay, if you want to list of those, if you want the list of those, they are defined in the standard module built-in. So it is already present inside the standard module built-in. Let's execute this standard module dir, and if you gonna pass the module name built-in, you can, built-ins. Oh, so sorry, we are not imported, import builtins. Okay, now it also, so without importing we want to see the names available. How is this is not possible. So first we need to import the method or import the module, then we need to see what are the names present inside. Okay, these are the all the built-in module, built-in method or function available in Python interpreter. So in this way, if you want to see anything inside your module or anything which is defined inside your module, you can get them by passing the module name inside the dir function. Okay, thank you.